Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the stainless wok for any residue and drying it completely, because moisture prevents proper searing. Once dry, place the wok on medium-high heat. You want it hot enough that a single water droplet sizzles and evaporates. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of a high-smoke oil and tilt to coat the cooking surface. This creates a temporary non-stick layer and improves heat transfer. Make sure to move quickly so the oil heats, and you're ready to add aromatics or proteins. You want to sear proteins first. Pat them dry and season so moisture doesn't steam the surface. Once the oil is shimmering, add items in a single layer to get that Maillard crust, and don't overcrowd the wok. Work in batches if needed. After proteins rest, raise heat and add vegetables, tossing quickly to preserve texture. When bits stick, deglaze with a small splash of broth, vinegar, or soy to lift fond and create a cohesive sauce, which is why this step matters. You finish by adding your sauce and giving a brisk high-heat toss so flavors glaze ingredients. Remove food promptly to avoid overcooking. Let the wok cool a bit, then clean with hot water and a soft brush. Avoid abrasive pads or strong detergents that strip seasoning. If food sticks next time, reheat the dry wok, add oil until it shimmers, and cook a small piece to recondition the surface. Alternatively, deglaze after cooking to lift stuck bits and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.